Pass the yarn around your little finger. Wrap the yarn around your index finger. Bring it once around your middle finger. Hold the loop in place with your thumb. Insert the hook under the loop. Catch the working yarn with your hook and pull it through. This completes the magic ring. Then yarn over again and pull through the loop on your hook. Now you can begin working the required number of stitches into the ring. Chain 1 and make as many stitches as you need. Pull the short end of the yarn to close the ring. This is how you make a magic ring.